Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the BMW M8 and the Hellcat, two formidable performance machines. We will delve into their distinct characteristics, from engine power and acceleration to interior luxury and overall driving feel. Understanding these differences will help you decide which high-performance vehicle best suits your preferences and driving style. Let's explore what makes each of these automotive titans truly special. The BMW M8 represents the pinnacle of luxury performance, blending exhilarating speed with sophisticated comfort. Under its hood lies a potent twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering over 600 horsepower. This allows the M8 to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 3 seconds. Its advanced all-wheel drive system ensures superb handling, making it a refined, yet incredibly fast grand tourer for those who appreciate precision and elegance. On the other side, we have the Hellcat, a true icon of American muscle, known for its raw power and aggressive stance. Equipped with a supercharged V8 engine, it unleashes over 700 horsepower, providing an adrenaline-pumping experience. The Hellcat can launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds, making it a formidable force on the drag strip. It's all about brute strength and a visceral, rear-wheel drive thrill. So, which one is better? The answer truly depends on what you seek in a high-performance vehicle. If you prioritize sophisticated luxury, cutting-edge technology, and a balanced, refined driving experience, the BMW M8 is an excellent choice. However, if you crave raw, unadulterated power, a classic muscle car feel, and a thrilling, visceral ride, the Hellcat will undoubtedly satisfy. Both offer incredible performance, just with different philosophies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.